What's up guys, today I'm doing a Renault Clio 2007, 2006, something like that. So we're gonna pick the lock, the code, make an exhaust key, and away we go. Okay, awesome. I was going to the right. 7, 7, 4. Um, 7, 4, 7, 2. Now I don't think this is right, but we'll give it a go and we'll find out. 7, 4, 7, 4, 7, 2. 7, 4, 7, 4, 7, 2. And, oh my goodness me. Right. Automobile. Renault Clio. This one I think. Close enough. Blah blah blah. Input 4, 7, 4, 7, 2. 2. Now again, I don't think this is the right cut, but we'll do it. We'll spray it. We'll scrape the lock about, or if not, we'll just go directly off the ignition. It's going to go one way or the other. Bum bum bum. Cut. Okay. Oh my goodness, stuck here. There we go. Oh my goodness. What are you stuck on, buddy? Stuck on that. There you go, fixed. Slide you to there, and then it'll work. Oh, wrong one. Sorry, didn't realise the camera cut out. And there. One of these got to have a battery in it. Otherwise I got to go hunting for them. last one. These are cool little containers because I buy the batteries in 100. I 3D printed the screw ones and they're absolutely fantastic. Keep the batteries weathered and keeps them going properly without dying, because before I was keeping them loose and they were dying terribly. Oh, there you go, cut. Oh, lovely weather it is today. So we'll use this now to make the Clio remote. It's a 2-button remote. I'll show you the ones there is now. Now sometimes these keys work, sometimes they don't. I could pick the wrong one, but remake it, yada yada yada. If it don't work, use aftermarket, which I don't have in stock, but this will keep him driving for now because he's a regular customer, he doesn't mind. Yeah, 747, 7946, this is the one we want. Right, okay, it's telling me to use a XE type. Oh, okay. I got XM. Need an XE. Let's go get an XE. Oh, I locked my van. No, there you go. I had some knocking about. Okay. Sweet. So, I was going to use a wireless, then it sort of clicked that it wants me to generate with a super remote instead. So, we are going to use a super remote instead. While that's doing its thing, we can try this key. Sweet. Right. Oh. And after this, we're going to do a bit of programming. Nope, it was on point. And ta-da. Brilliant. So hopefully it'll turn the ignition. We'll find out in a minute. But I'm still going to pin it anyway because I'm quite confident. Right, let's get a pin put in. I purchased this to do the job with, to put the pins in, and I'm not impressed with it. I'm missing a screw, but that is what it is, I suppose. And sometimes it bends the pins. My other system didn't, but I'm determined to use it till it breaks. Try to keep it level. There. and sometimes you don't go in flush, which is fine, which means I might have to tap it in anyway, but she's gone in lovely this time. Fantastic. So that there, that there. Next is going to be programming. Right guys, so we're going to program a key to this lovely Clio. Alright, I'm going to see what happens. Okay, okay, it's a key, oh my goodness. So I don't know if it'll work, but we'll give it a go. There we go, it's programmed. See? There we go, all done. And that's how quick and easy it is to do one of these lovely keys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. If you enjoyed the content, I do apologise for the video being late. I'm waiting on a new computer today, which should have been delivered yesterday. I've had all sorts of things go on. But thank you for watching and subscribing. And if you want to see anything else done, let me know.